Hello everyone. Today we are going to create a client secret key for our YouTube channel so that we can upload our videos through Python on our YouTube channel. Okay. The first thing is you have to go to the Google Cloud Console. Okay. Here is the link. Press it, and you have to make sure that you log in with the account that you are going to use for your YouTube. Okay, I'm going to upload videos on my this channel, so I will select this one. Okay, the first step is that you have to click a select project. You will already seeing this the first project. Okay, but I am going to create a new project. You can name it something, or you can just remain as it is. Okay, now press create. Okay, project schedule. Okay, now it is creating a project. Okay, now you can see that here it has created a project. Okay, the next step is that you have to go to the APIs and services, and here click on the uh, left sides. You can see library. Here we can search for YouTube, and here is the YouTube data API v3. We are going to enable it. Wait for it. Okay, you can see here it is creating or enabling the API. Okay, now the YouTube data API has been enabled. Now we have to go to the auth consent screen. Okay, here we have to provide some basic information like app name. I'm just selecting the video uploader. Here you have to select your own email. Okay, and then press next. Here you can select the external, press next, and here you have to provide your email address, and then again press next, and this is the last one is the finish, and we have to click the agree and then continue and create. Now it will create a uh, basics. Okay, now what we have to do is you can see here after clicking on the branding, you can see the information that you just provided. Okay, now the next step is go to the audience. What we have to do here is we have to add a test user. Okay, test user, our email address, our YouTube email address. Okay, and then press save. Okay, you can see here the test user created. Okay, and the next step is go to clients, and then data access. Here we have to add a scope. Okay, here is add or remove scope. Here you have to search for YouTube. You can see here the first one that comes in the search box, auth YouTube. Click on it, and here you can see a checkbox uh, next to the YouTube data API v3. You have to check it and then update. When you update, you can see here in the use and strip scope sections YouTube data API v3. Okay, now click save. Okay, so it has been saved, and then go to the clients, and here we are going to create our client secret key. Here you have to select the application that you want to choose. Right, I am using a desktop app because I am writing a Python script for it. Okay, I will select desktop app. You can change the name or whatever it is suggesting. Okay, then press create. Now it has been created, our client secret key. Okay, here am going to download it. Okay, and here is your client secret key. You can rename it with client secret key. Okay, it's a long name. You can just rename it with client secret key. Here is your client secret key that you can use with your Python project or script to upload video on YouTube. Okay, so that is it. Let me know if you face any issues or difficulties.